back there? Good. All right, we're gonna try payload real quick. Stay back here. Yeah, good.
Left side's good. Rudder good. Stabilizer good.
MSL.
See again.
3,392 feet MSL.
What are you guys using?
We have two samples.
Yeah, we're gonna go down here.
You might injure yourself or anything, did you? Wasn't my leg one.
This year is a big year. This year's a big year? 4 year.
Pretty excited about the
Yeah.
Drone facing target, good bit, won by Apers, 4-meter Hob, 92nd SST. Go for VTX check. Green, 90 seconds, 4-meter Hob.
Roger. Retreating bunker.
Retreating bunker.
Attaching bunker.
Attaching bunker. Attention check.
And Roger, yeah, I'm waiting till all the instructions.
Green. Green. 92nd.
Probably a good idea.
4 meter. One, two, three.
Don't confuse them. Only team lead's talking now.
Shot. Shot.
What distance are you at? 1.8 right now, sir.
Hey, you can't.
Yeah, I remember because it's splash!